Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Deepti Durga Jain. I'm a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist. I'm doing private practice in Vaishali. I'm visiting two hospitals, Paras Hospital and Chandralakshmi Hospital. Postpartum stress disorder, it's a disease which is generally present in the patients after delivery. It is because of the hormonal changes in the patient. Post delivery, the hormonal level starts falling, due to which the patient has some symptoms which are related to the psychiatric and family pressures after the delivery. Almost 10 to 15% of the patients after delivery suffer from postpartum stress disorder. Yeah, it can be diagnosed because after delivery there are sometimes when the patient goes into depression because of the family pressures or pressure of having a baby, which there are in the Indian society the pressure is of having a male baby. This is the most common one, and if the patient gets a female baby, then sometimes the patient gets this disorder. So there are the family stresses, otherwise hormonal imbalances, which can lead to the stress, and this is developed generally after a few days after delivery, and the patient presents with the symptoms of depression. The patient is silent. Sometimes she goes into manic episodes. She says irrelevant things, irrelevant talks, doesn't accept the baby, doesn't feed the baby. These are all the symptoms when we think of the patient can go in postpartum stress disorder. It can mimic a manic depressive illness. Generally, it lasts for around 1 week to 2 weeks, but it can go up to 6 weeks. It is a medical problem because it poses the family pressure, because the family of the patient, they are under the stress of what the patient is having. They don't understand it, that the patient is having some stress type of post delivery, and which will be recovered after few days. But in Indian families, the family doesn't accept all these things. They think that the patient is getting mad, or she is going into depression, and she will not be able to take care of the baby. But it is not like that. With slightest counseling and the treatment, the patient can recover. That is only the family at the level of family. Actually, because the family and the relatives, when the patient develops such symptoms in the presence of whole family or the relatives, when she reacts, she says irrelevant talks. That is the only manifestation which basically hampers the social presentation of the family and the patient. It acts only at the social level, nothing else.